Okay, we have a CLAUSING-COLCHESTER gap bed engine lathe, model 8053, 17-inch swing, 28 in the gap by 40 in centers, serial number LMT40GIR FV17286. Machine was new in 1989. We're gonna run her for you. All right now we're running at a low RPM. Forward and reverse, you have a Pratt Bernard 4-drawer chuck on there. You also have a quick change tool post. You have a steady rest, tailstock, taper turning attachment with the bracket, the arm. Okay, we're gonna move back. Go ahead. Forward and reverse. You have the rainbow dial, 16 speeds.
487.
Okay. All right. It's 87?
Yeah.
Yep. $207. Machine's nice and quiet. Again, you have hardened ground bedways. That's your gap in the front that's removable. Inch metric threading built in. Universal gearbox. 370. Okay, we're running. All right, he engaged the half nut and he's threading. He stopped. That's your longitudinal feed. Reverse it on the carriage. Cross feed. Cross feed, reversed. All right, so you saw a thread and feed. You know what, show the, oh, yep, great. Show the tailstock quill too. Just a little lock. Tailstock quill. All right. Machine set up for 220 operation, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
The high speed?
Yeah, let's do a high speed. You have a micrometer stop there too on the carriage. 890. Again, machine's nice and quiet. Okay. Brake. Great. Let me show you the serial number. Here. Okay. Great. Machine has a coolant pump too. Thank you for watching the video.